Extreme snow versus giant machine. Let's start slow. Here's a clip of a guy calmly removing snow from his roof with what looks like a stick and a plastic sheet. Satisfying? Maybe. But we didn't come here for broom tricks. You came for power. For noise. For machines bigger than your house battling snow taller than a bus. So let's get started. Big snow versus big machines. Who wins? Let us know in the comments. Segment 1. The Boss Snow Raptor. First up, the Boss Raptor Snowplow. Look at this beast tear into a snowbank like it's made of marshmallows. That spinning head could probably clear a glacier. It doesn't just plow, it devours. This is what winter fears. Segment 2. John Deere Winter Tank. Now check out the John Deere Snow Tractor. It's got the force of a freight train and the calmness of a Sunday drive. Listen to that blade hum as it slices through frozen buildup like it's not even there. You can feel the satisfaction just watching. Segment 3. Snow Dumping Apocalypse in Canada. We're heading over to Montreal now. No, this isn't a landfill, it's a snow graveyard. The amount of snow Canada has is unbelievable. You could build a ski resort from this single pile. It's both beautiful and terrifying. Somebody needs to turn this into a tourist attraction. Call it Mount Snowpocalypse. Segment 4. The Rotary Train Blasters. Now let's switch to rotary snow trains. If you haven't seen these before, prepare to be impressed. They don't just push snow, they throw it 30 feet in the air. No mercy. Just pure rotary destruction. Turn the volume up for this one. It's like an avalanche in reverse. Segment 5. Tucker Terra and the Fendt 939 Combo. Next, we've got the Tucker Terra Snowcat. It's built like a tank and floats on snow like a sled. Then there's the Fendt 939 paired with the KFS 1150 rotary blower. These two together are like a bulldozer mixed with a jet engine. They're not machines. They're snow executioners. Segment 6. Airport Monsters. TV1000 and UTV400. Time for the big boys. The TV1000 airport snow blower has a flying cab and a 1,300 horsepower engine. It throws snow like a cannon. And the UTV400? Wide enough to clear a highway in one sweep. If you ever wanted to plow your entire neighborhood in one go, this is how you do it. Segment 7. Syracuse Snow Chaos. Now we're in Syracuse, New York. Gridlocked roads. Buried cars. Even snowplows are stuck. This is what happens when nature doesn't care about your schedule. Watch this traffic jam closely. There are trucks in there that haven't moved for hours. Segment 8, POV, plowing in Hurley, Wisconsin. Let's jump into a snowplow for a second. You're in Hurley, Wisconsin. It's -20. You're clearing snow off your long frozen driveway. And it just feels right. Here's what it looks like from inside the cab. Smooth. Powerful. Satisfying.
Oh, dale. Finde den Rand, ne?
Segment 9, Schmid Snow Blender ASMR. Let's slow things down. Watch the Schmid rotating snow clearance machine do its thing. That drum spins like a washing machine with a vengeance. Sit back. No commentary. Just the sound of snow getting destroyed.
Bitte? Sag mal, was sagst du? Ja, geht er drauf? Achso, ja, schau da. Ja, weißt du, geht eine Weile, komm auf da richtig stellen. Ja. Ja, und ist für Multica und der eine liegt ganz rechts oben beim Regal hinten rechts oben. Also Heizung, das ist nicht mehr oben. Wenn man der Waschtisch ist, wahrscheinlich auf der Rennerseite, aber Richtung Strasse. Ja, da oben ist noch von unten begonnen. Ja. Schau dir den Ärmel an. Ja. Zurück rein, also so an der Länge, wo die Werkbank ist, ne? Und da ganz rechts unten bei der Ecke. stell dir das Ding aus ein bisschen. Ja, auf die Hände ist der, ja genau, passt, jetzt steht der von unten, ja genau. Passt, ja.
Segment 13. The Chase 3 up close. Now let's take a close-up look at the Chase 3 plow system. Blade sharp enough to slice a block of ice in half. This is a serious piece of engineering. Made for serious snow. If you're a machine nerd, this one's for you. Finale. Who wins, snow or steel? Snow has been putting up a good fight. But the machines are winning. From runways to highways, they're clearing everything in sight. Still, don't count winter out. It always comes back. If you're still watching, drop a comment saying, "I survived the snow beasts," and tell us your favorite machine. Don't forget to subscribe to Winter Cruze. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching big snow get absolutely crushed. Thanks for joining us. Stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.